Gently flick that water off the fingers. This hand floats down, this hand floats up. Let's start with a deep breath in and out. And again, in and out. Arms float out to the sides and drift back down. Breathing in and out. And this time, bend at the elbows, gather in, press down for sinking the chi. Take that deep breath in and out. And if you're not already there, take one foot, step it out about shoulder width, and it doesn't matter which foot, and sink the chi. Take that deep breath in and out. In and out. And now, the hands will come out in front of us and float back down for opening the door. Deep breath in and out. And now this time, round your arms out like you're giving a nice big hug. Breathing in and out. In and out. Now this hand will float to the top of the chest. This hand will follow underneath and embrace the moon. Toss that moon into the sky. Switch your hands and catch it again. Tossing the moon high up into the sky and catch it again. Breathing in and out. Give that nice big hug again and sink the chi. Deep breath in and out. And now, one hand will come up to the side, and using our core, we will turn to the other side. And gently turn your wrist. It's like you're flicking water off your fingers, floating down, turning at the hips, at the waist, back around, and again. Deep breath breath in and out. In and out. And this hand will gently rest down by the side, and we'll take the other hand. And again, remember, it doesn't matter which hand you use, just as long as you're alternating both sides. Floating across, using the hips, using the waist. Gently flick that water off your fingers, floating down, turning at the core, at the waist. And back to where we started. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And now, when we get to this position, this hand will follow underneath. And we just continue the same way. Gently flick that water off the fingers. This hand floats down, this hand floats up, and we do it again. Deep breath in and out. Ooh, wave hands like clouds. Just like your hands are just nice, white puffy clouds floating across the clear blue sky. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And now over here, we'll bring our fingertips together like we're holding a basket. Tap this toe in, step out, and this hand will continue that same motion like we were using for wave hands like clouds. And this is single whip. Deep breath in and out. It's still coming from the hips and the waist, and not from the shoulders or the arms. Drop that basket back to wave hands like clouds. Deep breath in and out. And now, pick that basket up over here, tap the other toe in, take that step out, and single whip. Deep breath in, and out. In and out. Drop that basket and back to wave hands like clouds. And sink the chi.